we're going to multiply with decimals. When you see the problem written horizontally, you want to rewrite it vertically. When you rewrite the problem, you don't have to line up the decimals as you do with addition and subtraction. So you go on ahead and multiply the numbers. That's 36, carry your 3, 8 and 3 is 11, carry your 1, 4 times 2 is 12, plus 1 is 13, carry 1, 4 times 0 is 0, plus 1 is 1. Now, how do we place the decimal in the answer? Well, you find your decimal and you count how many digits are to the right. 1, 2, 3 on that line. Find the decimal on this one. Count the digits to the right. There's 1. So altogether there's 1, 2, 3, 4 digits to the right of the decimal. So you're going to start on the right side of your answer on the far right, and you're going to take 4 hops, 1 to represent each of the numbers that was on the right of the decimal. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And here would be where you would place your decimal for your answer. Let's look at another problem. Let's say that you had 76 times 0.31. Alright, so when I look at this, I see that the first number has 2 digits and the second number has 3 digits. So I'm going to put the number that has the most digits on top. It doesn't matter in multiplication which number goes on top and which number goes on bottom. So this is the easiest way to work with this problem. Now the 76 doesn't have a decimal, but that's alright. So we're going to go ahead and multiply through by the 6. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 3 is 18. Carry your 1. 6 times 0 is 0 plus 1 is 1. Alright, so we finished with the 6. So we're going to put our 0 here and move us to the 10 spot. So we're under the 7. 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 3 is 21. Carry our 2. 7 times 0 is 0. Plus 2 is 2. Now we're going to add 6. 7 and 8 is 15. Carry your 1. That would be 3. And then 2. How do we know where to put the decimal in the answer? It's always the same. You find the decimal and you count how many digits are to the right. 1, 2. So there are no decimals in the last line. It's just 2 from the top line. So we're going to start on the far right and we're going to take 2 hops, 1 for each of these numbers. 1, 2, hop between the numbers, place your decimal, and the answer is 23.56. And that is how to multiply with decimals.